I love chiseling my code, and the way I use AI is in a separate window. I don't let it drive my code. I've tried that. I've tried the cursors and the windsurfs. I don't enjoy that way of writing. And one of the reasons I don't enjoy that way of writing is I can literally feel competence draining out of my fingers. Like that level of immediacy with the material disappears. And where I felt this the most was I did this remix of Ubuntu called Amakube when I switched to Linux. And it's all written in Bash. I'd never written a
Nice.
serious amount of code in Bash before. So I was using AI to collaborate to write a bunch of Bash with me because I needed all this. I knew what I wanted. I could express it in Ruby, but I thought it was an interesting challenge to filter through Bash because what I was doing was setting up a Linux machine. That's basically what Bash was designed for. It's a great constraint. But what I found myself doing was asking AI for the same way of expressing a conditional, for example, in Bash over and over again. That by not typing it, I wasn't learning it. I was using it, I was getting the expression I wanted, but I wasn't learning it. And I got a little scared. Is this the end of learning? Am I no longer learning if I'm not typing? For me, recast that was I don't want to give up on the AI. It is such a better experience as a programmer to look up APIs, to get a second opinion on something, to do a draft, but I have to do the typing myself because you learn with your fingers. If you're learning how to play the guitar, you can watch as many YouTube videos as you want. You're not going to learn the guitar. You have to put your fingers on the strings to actually learn the motions. And I think there is a parallel here to programming where programming has to be learned in part by the actual typing.